Welcome back again for another video, and for this video we will be playing Warzone Mobile using iPhone 15 Pro Max and using Flydigi Apex 2. As you can see, this is iPhone 15 Pro Max. So let's go, let's start.
Get ready.
So first we have to connect our Flydigi Apex 2 to our iPhone 15 Pro Max. So let's open Flydigi Apex 2. Just click the pairing button and letter B. We'll start blinking. Let's go to our Bluetooth. Hold the Bluetooth. As you can see, it's connected, so press and hold this. So as you can see, it's now connected. The Flydigi Apex 2 is in classic mode, so you can only use Flydigi Apex 2 playing Warzone Mobile as a normal gamepad. You cannot use the Flydigi app here in iPhone 15 Pro Max that has iOS 17. We cannot use the gyroscope of the Flydigi Apex 2, but we can use the gyroscope of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So in order to do that, go to settings, controls, gameplay. It's down here. See here, gyroscope. You can set the sensitivity of the gyroscope here. For me, the global sensitivity horizontal is 3 and the ADS sensitivity multiplier is 1.6. so you can set this up to your preferred settings, or you can set this up to your preferred sensitivity. Moshpit, confirm. As you can see, you can use the gyroscope of the iPhone 15 Pro Max while using the Flydigi Apex 2. And as you can see, there is buttons here. As you can see, there's a buttons here that you need to press corresponding to the button. See? What? What? No mercy. the grenade is the right the grenade is the right button. The another throwables is the left button. It's close already. Thanks. What? What? Traitor. You're a traitor. That's all for the Warzone mobile using iPhone 15 Pro Max and using Flydigi Apex 2. Warzone mobile has a controller support, and yes, you can use Flydigi Apex 2 as a controller, but as a normal gamepad. You cannot use Flydigi app because it has an error like this one. So sorry, the system does not support iOS 13.4 or above. So iOS 13.4 above does not support the Flydigi app. So that's the reason why we cannot use the Flydigi app. So, but you can still use the Flydigi Apex 2 as a normal gamepad. So that's it. I hope that you like this video, and I hope that you learned something from this video. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for more gaming tutorials, DIY tutorials, reviews, and other contents. So that's all, and see you in my next video.
Get ready.